All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders. Respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. There will be prosperity, along life, happiness. Jai Hind.
I am Varnika of Grade-VII Jasper. Here brought you state and sport news. State news. The Telangana government presented 3.24 lakh crore for 2026 to 2027, focusing on infrastructure and sectors like agriculture and energy. Next, sports news. Haryana boxer confirmed the 19 medals at 3rd Sub-Junior National Championship. Thank you. Myself Joshita from Grade-VII Jasper. Today I am going to tell weather report. Weather report. 37 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny. Precipitation 0%. Humidity 51%. Air quality good. Thank you. Today's international and national news is brought to you by Hasini of Grade-VII Jasper. International news. The war in Iran rises pressure on Ukraine while Russia prepares more expansions. National news. Power Minister amid global tensions. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Word of the day is brought to you by K. Bhavin of Grade-VII Jasper. Word Sutra. It means a short formula or rule in math used to solve problems easily and quickly. Friends, please spell out for me. Sutra. S-U-T-R-A. Thank you. Have a wonderful Wednesday.
Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Vishwakshan of Grade-VII Jasper. Thought. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, competitions or algorithms. It is about understanding. I repeat my thought. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, competitions or algorithms. It is about understanding. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Today's GK questions are brought to you by Ikshita from Grade-VII Jasper. Question for Grade-VII. What is the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 180 degrees. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade-VIII. Who is known as father of mathematics? Archimedes. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Archimedes. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade-IX. The horizontal axis of a graph is called? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is x-axis. Let us appreciate them. Open questions for all. Question number 1. The multiplicative inverse of a number is also called its reciprocal. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is reciprocal. Let us appreciate them. Question number 2. What is the degree of an algebraic expression x power 4 plus x power 3 plus x power 2 plus x? 4. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 4. Let us appreciate them. Question number 3. How much is a baker's dozen? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 13. Let us appreciate them. Question number 4. Who is known as father of trigonometry? I repeat it once again. Who is known as father of trigonometry? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is Hipparchus. Thank you. Have a nice day. I am Tanuja and here is my friend Lakshmi Prasanna. We are from Grade-VII Jasper, here to do a conversation on junk food. Lakshmi, you know what I have brought today? I have brought fruits instead of chips. Awesome, you have started the first step. I felt strange, but honestly, I feel lighter. Exactly, healthy food makes difference even if it's small. I think I just needed the right push. You gave that push to yourself, that's the best part. I want to be consistent now, not go back to the old habits. Then set a simple goal like less junk, more energy every day. I like that, it sounds motivating. Also think long-term strong body, clear mind and better confidence. Yeah, I want to be more active in sports too. Healthy eating will help with that. From now on, I will choose what is good for me, not just what tastes good.
That's powerful mindset.
Thank you for supporting me, Lakshmi.
I want to end this conversation with a small sentence that junk food tastes good but healthy food builds a strong and energetic future.
We can eat junk food, but in a controlled manner, like once or twice in a month. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.